Okay, what day is this? This is Friday. Friday. I think it's the 17th. Friday the 17th, right?
Friday the 17th.
She always knows the date. So we tied up here at Angel Island last night, and now we're going to head out under the gate. And because of bad weather, we think we're just going to coast and excuse me, either stay at Half Moon Bay, which is a short jaunt, or do an overnighter down to Monterey. Haven't really decided. We'll decide once we get out there, see what the remnants of this last storm look like. So Sugar Pine is getting more set up. Here's my nav station. More and more things are getting put away, but we're still not completely there. Let's go up, see what. Whoops. Go up. Hi.
Ooh, that's too close up.
Take a last look at Angel Island. Actually, since I'm sitting right here, there's the helm. We've got plenty of electronic gear. So this is a nice little place to tie up at Angel Island, and we've had many nice hikes out there. You can walk around the island and see San Francisco from one side. There's a bunch of sea lions on the dock over there that make a bunch of noise. So, boy, what a difference a day makes. It was so stormy yesterday. You can see up there we're going to start hitting some swell, although that's probably tidal current more than anything. So we just pulled the sail up, one reef in it. There goes Sausalito. Now you got a better view of San Francisco, Sutro Tower, Alcatraz, Oakland and Berkeley, Angel Island. Bye Bay Area. Might not be back for a while. Well, we laid up last night because we didn't want to come through here in a storm, and it looks like we've been rewarded with a really beautiful day. Everything is nice and clear after the rain. Imagine working on that thing. From what I understand, they work their way across, and then it's time to start at the other end again. We're just crawling because of the current. But we figured it was better to get an earlier start than later, especially since we might do an overnighter to Monterey. Now we have dubbed this the official candy of Sugar Pine, and once we get under this bridge, Brian and Jen gave us this. This is a piece of Michigan, and they're really good. So we're going to celebrate going under this bridge by having a Sanders.
Right now.
Right now. Right now. Oh man, look at that. What do you think? Well, now we can officially say goodbye to San Francisco. Don't know whether Sugar Pine will be back. We do like it here. anything to add?
No, I'm just very happy to be going out on a sunny day.
Yeah. Glad we waited. Oh, there's our first whales somewhere out there. Kind of swelly, hard to see.